All right. What's up, everybody? This is going to be a real quick video breakdown of today's trades. Two entries that were pretty dope. One that was pretty stupid. Let's go to the chart. Hey, what happened to my chart, man? We looking for carbon, so how about that? There it is. Come on now. All right, we are looking at the dots, everyone. The dots. If we were to look at trading view, man, what happened to trading view? Golly, so what? It just disappears? Stand by for news. Here it comes. Let's see. Why it's not working. Come on now. All right, let's try one more time. There it is. All right. As you can see, man, NAS was trash this morning. Trash. There wasn't anything interesting about NAS. So we put our attention to US30. All right, so US30 did something pretty amazing. It consolidated all night, right? After a pretty big push. Same rules, different pair, but still same rules, right? Here is the 830 low right here. So that left us a 830 minute wick. Remember how we talked about this 830 market open zone, right? And so what I want to do, and I'm going to show you all the dots here in a second because it makes a little bit more sense. But if we do this with the opening candle zone, guys, opening candle zone, that means that this is all the range that the first 30 minutes ranged in, right? The first 30 minutes of the open, this is what it ranged in right here. So when we jump down to a lower time frame, we see that there is a 30-minute order block here. Let me get rid of some of the stuff so we can see what's happening. All right, that didn't happen yet. So if I go to replay mode, y'all already know what happens. But we'll just go here. Here's 830. We're just gonna replay this like it's brand new, right? On a minute time frame, we see the push down. It retraces back, and this is where actually, if he was, I don't know if it was coffee, I don't know what it was, or lack of coffee, I don't know, but I click sell there. Click sell there. Stop loss is here. It gets stopped out. It gets stupid, and we don't want to talk about it anymore, but we have to face it. That was a dumb decision. All right. Impulsive move, impatient, no rules, all those things. And it ate my lunch, didn't it, babe? It ate my lunch. All right. So we try to get over it as fast as we can. And I'm going to talk a little bit about this probably in another video, but coping mechanisms. How do you get over being pissed off? That's a good question. We're going to talk about it here in a little bit. All right. So anyway, back to the chart. We're waiting. We'll watch that 5-minute break of structure going down, right? Here's a reason to drop sitting right here. Guys, we do this every day. Reason to drop right here. Sitting right there. Reason to drop. So we're waiting for price to make a push up. Find rejection here. And then what? Break of structure going down. All right. All right, so now that's the sequence we're looking for. We see that it gave us that 30-minute order block there. Now some of y'all push buy right there. No one's mad at pushing buy because it's exiting a 30-minute order block. 5-minute GAN flip. But we're looking for price to hit a rejection zone, okay? Here's actually 9 o'clock, so next candle's 9 o'clock. And so there we find a rejection zone. Now, had you click sell, you would be clicking sell in the middle of an order block. So what's the next thing we need to do? Remember, we have stop losses sitting here. We need to wait for a breakout out of this first 30-minute candle zone, this little white zone, right? The white zone, we need to get that. We need to get that guy. Like, we need to break out of that guy, going down or up. It doesn't matter. In this case, we see price make a bit of a bearish push, and then consolidates for a little while. It's going to consolidate to do what? Break up or break down. In this case, I'm thinking bearish only because of all this bearish momentum, bearish movement overnight. Continuation. All right, but we'll see. Market's going to do what Market's going to do. All right, so there is a break of structure there. This is actually the entry that we took. Break of structure going down and exiting the first 30-minute candles range. Take that to what? Ooh, let's get rid of that guy. We don't need that guy. Take it to what? At least to the stop losses that are here, right? Like, not the stop losses. At least to the 4 hour big zone down here. Let's see what happens. So price goes into profit, and we see a huge push down, touching the top of the 4 hour order block, and hits our target 1 to 2, which was amazing. 113 points. Now, next time we're going to look at $100 and be like, yep, that's a good day on a penny. And then what are we looking for price to do? So think about it. Price broke structure down. Okay. There's a reason to push down here, which price does. First, it gives us an area of rejection up here. Then we look for a break of structure down here. Now on a lower time frame, it's easier to see. If you go to 1 minute, you can see the break of structure happen right here. If you go to 2 minute, you see the break of structure happen here. Same candle, GAN flips, consolidation, we go down. But we enter on the 5 minute, so we don't get whipsawed. Too bad. So we don't get whipsawed too bad. All right, so now we see a break of structure going up. So what does this mean? This could be interesting. This could be tweezers on 30-minute time frame. This could be just a pause in the market to continue down. We don't know until we know, right? So we see that. It starts to make bullish momentum. All right, getting closer to our stop loss that's in profit. And then it completely goes bullish. All right, so where's it going bullish to? Well, we have a trend line sitting right here, which is a 30-minute trend line. That is basically a low that happened back here and the 8:30 candles low. So it comes and tests that a couple of times. It breaks above. Now we're in the 30-minute order block. We're looking for a price to do the same thing that it did here. Break structure down, right? Reason to drop is sitting right here. We're going to wait for it to get into an area of resistance. Break a structure down. Let's go. Now, on a lower time frame, you can see that. That's my entry. That is a 1 minute entry. Hello, 1 minute. Y'all don't remember 1 minute. Break of structure, GAN flip. After reaching an area of resistance, 30-minute order block, midpoint, going down. Y'all, textbook. Let's go. We're in profit. All right. When this reached a 1 to 2 is when I got out of that mug. I was like, look, 1 to 2 would be good, and it completely obliterates 1 to 2. And so I take profit, and then I watch this thing just go to the trenches. Okay, a little pullback. The GAN hasn't yet to flip to the upside, even with the bullish momentum. It hits the trend line and rejects for 1 to 8.8, 132 points, $132 on a decimal, on a penny. So now we play to where price is currently. We see in consolidation. We make a quick move up and sitting right here. So today's news is going to hit at about 1 o'clock. Be prepared to get out of the way. Do not be in a trade. Do not enter a trade. I would say between the hour or between 1 and 1:30 maybe. Unless you see it clean, unless you see something clean. So here is to February 1, 2 trades. So happy. So happy, so happy. How are y'all spending y'all first day of February? Are y'all fasting? For all of those who are fasting, Man, be good. It's gonna be good. You're doing the good thing. We're not fasting. We're fasting from. Excuse me. What happened? We're fasting from meat, and we're drinking green juice. Oh, that's so good. So good. Anyway, that's it. See y'all in the next video. Peace out.